Hi friends, in this video on Adobe Character Animator. So on Adobe Animator, right, I'm trying to play this video, but I'm not able to listen the sound. In order to fix that, right, I need to change the audio hardware sounds. While playing the project, right, I'm not able to get the sound because of the audio hardware issue. I have connected Bluetooth speakers here. I have connected this headphones. Actually, this is a Bluetooth speaker. So a lot of speakers are there, so I need to select it. So I want to listen from this headphones or Bluetooth speakers, selecting it, and then go to audio hardware, go to edit, and then choose preferences or give control key. So you can see this audio hardware. This device class should be MME. This is input microphone, but output I just want to listen it from my headphones Tube 3 Studio. So I'm going to choose this now. So output has been set. Now you just try on this. I'm going to try with this. Play. So now the issue is fixed. So that's it. Now I'm able to listen the sounds from Adobe Character Animator software. So definitely this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye.